to Jaffa. And I can say without blinking that Jaffa had a dream. He translated it into a plan, and it is now a reality. It is not easy to have this kind of investment. And we've been using some phrases. I've been using a phrase lately saying that to turn the economy around is not instant coffee. It's not like brewing instant coffee. And I want to repeat exactly that. That to invest the way Jaffa has and to turn around the economy, it takes planning, it takes commitment, it takes time, it takes resilience. Then you have what we have here. And that is the message that is within the Kenya Kwanza plan that the President has been talking about, that it is going to be a journey. It is not instant coffee. It is going to be a journey. Your Excellency, the confluence of the rail system with the air cargo aspect, which is just next door, positions Nairobi very strategically as a regional logistics hub. And this is something we should capitalize on, so that the advantage that all this confluence is bringing together can help in developing the economy and growing the entire region. And for this, clearly, we need to support the President so that we can have stability, we can have peace, and we can have the environment that is ideal for business to grow and to thrive. That is what we need. We shall not achieve that by dancing in the streets, when it is not time to dance the carnival, like in Brazil. We must be clear that we need a very, very clear plan and a clear, stable nation. So, Jaffa, thank you for having confidence in this nation. Thank you for putting your money where your words are. That is very, very important for this country. Pongezi sana. And now, Mr. Deputy President, may I call you forward? The floor is yours so that you can make some remarks.